Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you.
Happy New Year, everyone! I'm even ashamed to wish you guys Happy New Year. Look at when I'm wishing you guys Happy New Year. Happy New Year, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Day, the mom, the boss. How are y'all doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. Today's video is another special one. I'll be taking you guys around to have a New Year's refresh. I'll show you guys how I took down my Christmas decoration. Yes, I know it's late. People are already decorating for Valentine's Day. I'm still in the winter. The end of 2021 was a really challenging time for me. I didn't know it was going to be that bad, but I thank God I'm here and I'm able to get into 2022, and I just want to praise God for giving me life and for taking me through what I've been through this time. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for been sticking around and watching. It's been very challenging, guys, but I thank God. I just thank God I'm able to be here and film videos again for you guys. So I've been filming on Instagram, and I filmed on Instagram because they are really short videos. I can do them real quick. But if I have to show you guys videos here on YouTube, I need to take my time and talk like this to you guys. I think I'm back, and I pray God continues to strengthen me throughout this time so I can continue to create amazing content for you guys. So I'll take you guys around, show you guys how I took down my Christmas decoration, and show you guys how I am refreshing my home for winter and for this New Year's 2021. Thank you for sticking around, and if you're not subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button, and of course hit the notification bell so that you always be notified every single time I upload videos like this. So come with me, let's tour and refresh this house. So this video was filmed about 3 weeks ago. I had no time to edit it, but I'm going to show you guys a 2-in-1 how I took down all these curtains and ornaments finally, after enjoying my Christmas decoration. This was the best Christmas decor I ever did, because before I wouldn't go all out to decorate for Christmas, and I am so excited about it. On this day we were watching a game. It's soccer, and Imagine My Country was the one hosting and opening the game. So this was a very special moment for us. It was our first goal, and we were so excited, guys. Imagine we scored with a penalty, so I was so excited. I had to pause the decor takedown, and of course that is the goal. We were so excited, guys. We were super excited. We have scored a goal. Penalty goal. That is goal, but people don't know how to play.
Think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace.
So my Christmas tree did not come with the lights. That's why you saw me taking down those lights. I'm using this bag that I got from, was it a thrift store? And I'm using it to store my Christmas tree, and I'll just store some other ornaments and other decor pieces in there. And of course I'm doing the mantle right now, and we're just having fun and vacuuming. I like this vacuum from Topping. They sent it to me and I love it so very much. And of course the vacuuming did not do everything that I wanted. You can see I'm looking like a hot mess, guys. I look a complete mess. So right now I'm just taking down these ornaments and other Christmas decorations that were just around the house, just to keep everything in a clean and beautiful environment for the refresh. Right now, the entryway tree wasn't so much work as the living room, but the staircase was a lot more work for me than the entire living room. So it's not so bad, but I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the process. It took me a full day, I would say. I don't know, maybe because I have kids, I would stop and do stuff with the kids. But it literally took me a full day to take down my Christmas decoration. So now that everything is out, I'll show you guys what I have for 2022 in my home.
They take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they
Welcome to my home decor 2022. I love Christmas decorations so much, but I really think it's very messy. But then I am now feeling all the airiness in the house. For 2022, guys, I don't know what your decor style or your decor ideas are for this year, but for me, I really want to go light. I really want to go as cluttered free with decor as possible. I want airiness because even though I love decorating my spaces a lot, I've also noticed that every time when I have a lot of stuff around the house, sometimes it causes dirt. It causes the place to look a little bit cluttered, and it also causes a lot of accidents sometimes with the kids around the house, which doesn't make me very happy. So I'm trying my best to be out of anybody's way when I'm decorating. I would really want to play a lot with my entryway. I want to try so many things in this entryway that I don't even know if I have the mind or the heart to go for it yet. This mirror is an antique mirror, that's why it looks like this. I have a thing for gold, white and black. And over to my dining room, it hasn't changed much from Christmas. I just took out the centerpieces and I kept everything the way it was. These two wall arts right here, I would like to take them out because I feel like they are not necessary. You guys tell me what you think. So I'll just show you guys around the dining room. It's nothing much, it's nothing crazy, but I love it like this. My dining room is one of those places that is always made up, like it's always decorated. I just want it. I don't use it as much. I use it mostly to display my decor. So this is what it's looking like as of today.
It's gonna take some time, but I know that beauty lives in me. Gonna take some time. I don't yet know it.
So this is what my living room looks like for 2022 so far. I decorated it. I still have the two mirrors on the wall. I'm trying to do like an accent wall around the fireplace or an accent wall on my right around where we have the wall arts, this 3 wall arts. You guys tell me which one is going to be really beautiful, because I'm a little bit confused if I should do both or do one. And this, you know, this wall art is new. For those of you who have been on this channel, it's new and I really like it because it also makes a statement. I got my rug from Ross. Oh my god, guys, my rug is so beautiful. So let me welcome the new people on the channel. If you're new to this channel, hello and welcome. I hope you're here to stay on this channel. We don't take life too seriously. Life is too short. We're here to have fun. Please join us. If you're not subscribed yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and of course share this video with all your friends to inspire them. I want everything in this home to be really cozy, but airy. You know what I mean? Like it should be cozy and airy, and I love white a lot. So okay guys, let's just keep touring, and so I can show you guys around for this quick refresh. And this year, decor pieces for me should be necessary. Like on my coffee table or around the living room, I would always have a box to put my remote controls. Like I don't care what I'm doing, but I want to have decor pieces that
are usable, you know, not just decor pieces that are just for decor. I also want decor that can be used and functional. That is why, if you notice from my Instagram videos, I now have decor pieces that are usable. Like, I can use, like, my box should be decorative enough to put my remote control, and that's just my idea for this year. So you guys tell me what you're going for 2022. I'd love to know. I'd love to find out your ideas. Oh, by the way, my curtains, so many questions on TikTok about these curtains. These curtains were from Amazon. They are very affordable. I'll link them down below. So many people ask me about these curtains. I don't know. They're from Amazon, guys, and they are very, very, very super affordable. You'll be surprised. I just iron them and steam them a lot so they look nice and straight. Yeah, and I've never changed this since I got here, but I'm actually looking to change this for summer. So let's stay tuned and see what's going on with us. So of course my baby had to make his entrance. If you've watched up to this point, guys, please comment JJ down below. My breakfast area always looks like this, guys. There's nothing much to show. It always looks simple because we use it a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please drop a comment down below. Tell me something nice, and I'll see you guys in our next video. I love you guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
If will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching.